So I hope the weather forecast is correct, because if it is, there should be a couple of hours of like not raining. So thought I'd get them out now. The only thing that might put a spanner in our works is if my car is actually ready. I might have to go and get that. And I hope my car is ready, because I'm meant to be at a show tomorrow, and if it's not back I can't go. So like today's a bit up in the air, because if I have got a show, I gotta go to the supermarket to get some cocktail sausages for the show. I obviously gotta pick up my car, gotta fill it up, and then I gotta get the dogs ready. And I kind of don't want to bother getting them ready if we're not going to be going to the show. But I think Nala could probably get away with the cowboy magic stuff, because she's not really that dirty. She might get really dirty now and just surprise me. Yeah, and I don't really know where I'm going to walk. I haven't actually decided. Because I was thinking of going down to the left, which I haven't been that way for a long time. But then there's one part and you kind of like, there's bog, and I don't want them to go in the bog, because then I definitely got to bath all of them, whether I got a show or not. So I might just have to make sure they don't go in the bog. Or I could just go up the tips and give them a good run, which I might do that, because they love going up there. And then when I get back, I'll take the other 3 then. Yeah. So it was a bit of a theme from today's video. I don't know when I'm going to upload this. Probably yesterday's video. Hey guys. So following on from yesterday's video, I just want to work a little bit on Rico. Aria, bud. Good girl. No, that didn't go anyway. But anyway, I got treats on me. So I do voice and whistle. I'll test the whistle now. Nothing. Thinking about it. Go boy, Pod! Aria! Yay! Good girl! Yeah, I just want to work on their recall more out. You know, just because they know and we've practiced a lot of recall doesn't mean you shouldn't keep practicing it. And because we haven't been this way in a long time, they're quite excited. Typical, they run round the corner because they smell water. And we're like sort of zigzagging down to the line. So we're avoiding where the bog is the plan. You can see they're like all over the place because we haven't been here in a very long time. So like really excited. Nala's not, because Nala's like cool. He just follows her everywhere. Aria, Pod! Good girl, Banana! Pod! Good boy! Good boy! Good girl! So it's like just started to rain quite heavy, but it's quite good shelter from the trees because typical me, just in a hoodie. But yeah, I don't think we're going to go far because it's like not very nice weather. Yeah, I'm going to try ringing the garage again. Checking on my car, because I really want my car back. So I want to go to the show tomorrow. Just put him on the lead to cross the road, and it is hammering down to the puddle. Hopefully it's just a shower. I hope. We're out now anyway. I'm going to shelter under the tree and ring a garage. So I didn't film much more of the line. There's a lot of people with dogs around. I thought with the weather there'll be hardly anybody out, but there's loads of people out. I haven't really decided where we're going. We'll go Nala's way, because we went their way the other day. This way, guys! I really want to go that way. It's quite a hard walk. I'm going this way. I think it's going to stop raining. So we're all drenched. But we had a nice time. Still like, you know, a good, I don't know. If I turned around now and went home, we're like 20 minutes from home. So we still got a fair bit to walk. And I'm still walking away from home. So if you remember, we did a video in some of the forestry. That's part of the forestry we went in. But like on the top road. Which isn't as fun, I don't think, for the dogs. But they tend to get a bit excited and run off and run ahead. But they do keep checking back on me like Aria's just done now. Good girls. And there's the pod. Good girl, Aria. Good girl. So sometimes I give them a treat for checking in on me, and other times I just like verbal praise. But I like the fact that they come back and check in on me. So they come back on the off chance they get a treat. So it's always worth having a little check, isn't it? If you're them. Yeah. And typical in the water. Poor Nala, she's got to trot through a puddle, and she doesn't know these puddles. Glad I got my new wellies on. I'm going through the woods into the forestry. See, they can use like nature trails. So the branches are only too low for human height on the trails, you know, like foxes and badgers would use them. So yeah, unless something fun or exciting happens, I'll probably leave this here. Yeah, I shall see you all soon. Bye. So I figured I wouldn't end the video where I ended it. I've changed clothes and we've dried off a little bit, and now I'm back out. And it looks like it's going to rain again. But I figured if I came round the farm and the woods and the fields and stuff, the others could come, because like Disney's still gaining her fitness after the litter. Because like, don't forget with Disney, she lost a lot of fitness because she broke her foot. Then she was pregnant, then she had the litter, so she's actually had like quite a lot of time and not doing a lot. So I didn't really want to get the tennis ball out because she'll do too much. Yeah, so it's just a bit of a jumble of a video today, and I don't even know what to title it. Like recall practice maybe, because that's kind of what I did with the others. And like I haven't got any treats on me now. So maybe if I tried a recall and see who's going to come. Hey guys, come here. Off I go. Off I go. Dad's is looking. Good boy, Puddy. Good girl, Aria. I think Jude's in the field having a poop. Good girl, Jude. Yeah, good girl, Stinker Tinker. Ah, good girl, Judith. Good girl. See the difference though when they know I haven't got something. So yeah, there is a difference when you don't have treats on you. And it's raining and they're at home and it's like, oh whatever mum, you know. But yeah, my car's not back, so won't be going to the show tomorrow. And I hope it hurries up and comes back. And then Monday, potentially, got some exciting news. And I'm going to just leave it at that. Some people know, or they know the possibility of the potentially exciting news. Most people don't know. Oh, it's really raining again. This is summer in Wales, like, and it's peeing down. Anyway, yeah. So, I'll leave this video here. We're all happy and all together, and gonna go back in the house and sulk because it's raining, I think. And a banana. And sulk because I haven't got a car and I can't go to the show tomorrow. Anyway, see you all soon. Bye.